Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Welcome back to a new video. Today we are drawing some letters. Let's learn the colors. This is, light green color, brown color, black color, violet color, pink color, dark green color, red color, sky blue color, yellow color, purple color, dark blue color, orange color. Let's start drawing letters. Letter A. Let's draw letter A. A is for apple. Let's draw letter A. A. Letter A. A is for apple. B. This is letter B. B is for banana. B is for banana. C. C is for cherry. C is for cherry. Let's draw letter D. D. D is for duck. D is for duck. Letter E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Let's draw letter F. F is for fish. F is for fish. Wow, we have all the letters A to F. Let's color these letters. Red color A. A is for apple. A is for apple. The apple is red in color. Yellow color, letter B. B is for banana. Banana is yellow in color. Letter B. B is for banana. C. C is for cherry. Cherry is red in color. So let's use red color. Letter C. C is for cherry. C. C is for cherry. D. Light green color. D is for duck. D is for duck. Pink color, letter E. E is for elephant. Letter E. Now is letter F. F is for fish. Dark blue color. F is for fish. Fish. F is for fish. Wow, this is letter F. F is for fish. Let's revise. A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Cherry. D. Duck. E. Elephant. F. Fish. Wow! Did you do the same practice, dear kids? Like this video, share it and do the same practice. Thanks for watching.